It's your special day, time to celebrate. Best birthday to you, you're the star today. Happy best birthday, dear Abby. Blessed birthday to you. May your dreams come true, Abby. Your dreams come true. May your dreams come true, Abby. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You're the star tonight, shining oh so bright. One more year, one more chance. Write your story, make it dance. Blow the candles, make a wish. Life's a party, pure bliss. Tonight is yours, the world's alive. Your moment's here, it's your time to shine. It's your day, your day, your day. Celebrate it all the way. Golden lights and endless dreams. Life's bigger than it seems. It's your day, your day, your day. Make it loud, don't fade away. You're alive, you're free, you're here. This is your year. This is your year.
Happy birthday, Shell. Happy birthday, Rochelle. Oh, sana'y mabusog mo kami. At may pa-take out. Sisig daw. Sisig yan. Wish you a good health. At sana'y magkaroon ka na ng broom.
Hi, Rochelle! How are you? Kamusta ka na? Happy birthday,
Rochelle! Enjoy your
More
birthday.
birthday to come. God bless you.
Enjoy ka lang kahit wala kami dyan.
Yes, love, love, love. Mm.
Happy birthday, Rochelle. I'm wishing you nothing but the best. More birthdays to come, and success, good health and wealth, and abundance blessing. May your God guide you in successful in life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happiest birthday, baby Rochelle. Wishing you nothing but the best. Love, love, love.
So, ayun. Hi Ate Shell, happy birthday. Sorry ngayon ako nagagawa ng video na kasend kay Ate Pau. I'm too tired. Basta more birthday ko to comes and then more sexy to comes. Ayan. Ingatan mo palagi yung sarili mo. Always think positive. Huwag papabayaan yung sarili. And then basta happy birthday, enjoy your day, and then I love you so much. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Ingat ka palagi.
Baby Rochelle, happy birthday. Wala akong pakialam sa gusto mo. Gawin mo kung anong magpapasaya sa'yo. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, Mars. Happy birthday, Rochelle. Happy birthday, Rochelle. You, babe.
Happy birthday, Rochelle.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rochelle. Today is your birthday. Salamat sa sabi ko. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Love you more. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Belle. Wishing you a year filled with happiness, a day filled with joy. Have a wonderful year. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday. It's ka na namin ni Eric. Sana bumalik ka na dito. Happy birthday. Yun lang. Thank you. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, anak. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana bigyan ka ng magandang kalusugan at malakas na pangangatawan. Sana lagi kang mag-iingat dyan. Ingatan mo yung iyong sarili. Happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka kasama ng iyong mga kaibigan. Happy birthday. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday. Anak. Mama.
Happy birthday. I love you.
Birthday, Rochelle.
Birthday, Mama.
Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama.
At gabayan ka natin kung ka pa. Sana bigyan ka ng magandang kalusugan at lakas ng pangangatawan. Enjoy mga iyong birthday kasama ng iyong mga kaibigan. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Mag-iingat kayo palagi, Mama.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.